Hello, my name is Alan Bowser of Silver Spring. I'm a candidate for clerk of the Montgomery County Circuit Court in the Democratic primary election on Tuesday, June 24th. I invite you to visit my campaign website, www.alanbowser.net, to learn more about me and the important issues in my campaign for clerk of the court. Today, I'd like to talk about my qualifications for this office, why I would be a great clerk of the court, and some of the important issues that I have for the clerk's office. First, my qualifications. I'm a longtime resident of Montgomery County, having lived in Silver Spring for 20 years. I'm a graduate of Princeton, Johns Hopkins, and the Georgetown University Law Center, and I have been a practicing attorney in the state of Maryland since 1995. I have a private law practice, and I have represented clients in Montgomery County, as well as in Prince George's, Howard, and Carroll counties, and the District of Columbia. As such, I'm a consumer of clerk of the court services and have ideas about where there could be improvements in the clerk's office. I've been active in Montgomery County civic and political activities for many years. I proudly served as Chief of Staff to Montgomery County Councilmember Dutchie Trachtenberg and as President of the Silver Spring Town Center and the Park Hills Civic Association. I also served on the Board of Directors of Conservation Montgomery, Safe Silver Spring, and the Montgomery County Civic Federation. My professional careers included service in the White House, the U.S. House of Representatives, the World Bank, and the U.S. Department of Commerce. At Commerce, I was a member of the Senior Executive Service and served as U.S. Deputy Assistant Secretary, managing more than 100 federal employees in the International Trade Administration. What would I do as your clerk of the court? First, I promise that I will maintain the high level of efficiency, professionalism, and customer service that we currently have at the court. I will emphasize that we need a 21st century courthouse in Montgomery County. In our rapidly growing county, we need to be more cost efficient and more welcoming to members of our diverse population. As clerk, I would work to smoothly implement electronic filing, which will help not only lawyers, but residents who would like to represent themselves. I would work to have more court staff who can speak foreign languages. As we have become more diverse, we have a great need to have staff who can speak Spanish, French, Amharic, Chinese, and Hindi, for example. I would examine whether we might have the court extend its hours in the evenings or on Saturday mornings to accommodate residents who are unable to get to Rockville during the weekday. And as I have said, as a county, we should have a conversation about increasing juror pay, currently at only $15 a day, permitting cameras in the courtroom like many other jurisdictions, and importantly, increasing the court's outreach to the community. Presently, there are communities in Montgomery County that are hesitant to access our court system because of suspicions and anxieties about courts and law enforcement. As clerk, I would reach out to these communities with a positive program of community engagement and education so that residents would know that our courts can be helpful to resolve personal and business disputes. As clerk, I would advocate for a change in the state's marriage laws to promote fairness and equality. Right now, only a judge, clerk, or member of the clergy can perform marriages in Maryland. I want Maryland to join states like California, Massachusetts, Vermont, and the District of Columbia that allow individuals who are not members of the clergy to officiate the marriage of family members and friends. This election is important for so many reasons. If elected, I will be the first person of color, the first African American elected to the courthouse in Montgomery County's history. Our courthouse team should reflect our county's diversity. Right now, it does not. Please vote for Alan Bowser for clerk of the court on June 24th. Thank you very much.